In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Asana on all devices. This is really helpful if you've signed in on a shared computer, lost a device, or just want to tighten up your account security. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into Asana in your web browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small profile photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that lets you access different account options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a settings window or panel where you can manage various aspects of your Asana account, like notifications, profile details, and security. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the menu carefully. It should simply be called Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top or down the side. Find the tab labeled Profile and click on it. The Profile section focuses on your personal information and account-related options, and it's where we need to be before moving to the next part. Next, within this same settings window, locate and click on the tab labeled Account. The Account tab is where Asana groups options related to your login, connected sessions, and other security-related features. This is the place you go when you want to manage where and how your account is signed in. Once you're in the Account tab, look for a button or link that says Log Out Other Sessions. This option is specifically designed to sign you out of Asana on all other devices and browsers, except the one you're currently using. Click on Log Out Other Sessions. This helps ensure that any old or forgotten logins are closed, which is especially useful if you've accessed Asana from a public or shared device. After clicking it, Asana may ask you to confirm that you really want to log out of those other sessions. When you see the confirmation prompt, click on Log Out Other Sessions again to finalize the action. Once you do this, Asana will immediately revoke access on all other devices, keeping only your current session active, and that's it. You've now successfully logged out of Asana on all other devices.